Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your black clothes that are faded to a gray, dull color, your black clothes that have lost their will to live. I'm going to show you how to turn them black again with a super easy hack. So I have a pair of jeans. I love these jeans, but as you can see, they're a bit grayish. They're not as black. After my hack though, look at those jeans. Girl, this is the same pair of jeans. It looks like I literally bought a brand new pair. But no. I just have a super quick hack that I did that turns your clothes back to black. So in case you're doubting Susan, doubting Thomas, these are the side-by-side evidential shots, okay? Now that you're convinced, let's get into this video. You will be needing a washing machine for today's hack. I'm really sorry, but that's just how it is. We're going to sit back, relax, and let this process be seamless and smooth and easy, unlike everything else in our life. So first things first is to get our garment wet and ready. Garment, who says that? Anyway, I did a quick 15-minute wash cycle, and this is to get the fabric wet and ready to receive our fabric dye. That's the secret to all your life problems, fabric dye. And this fabric dye goes in the washing machine, hassle-free, hands-free. You just pop it in the washing machine, sit back, and watch your life come together. So I'm going to peel all the papers off this fabric dye. By the way, I will link this dye down below because it has fixed my marriage. My skin is now clear. My chronic overthinking is gone, all because of this fabric dye. So I highly recommend. So you're going to get rid of all the paper bits. Make sure no paper is going in the washing machine. And then you're going to put the pod with the mouth facing up. Don't put it downwards. Don't put it sideways. Put it facing up and let her do her job. You're then going to pop on a 40 degrees Celsius cycle. 40 degrees. Do not go above this. Do not go below this. Do not try to cheat the system because this will fail, okay? Make sure you stick it out. And I know what you're thinking. Won't this dye ruin my washing machine? Won't it change my life for the worse? No, this dye comes completely off. So once you discard the plastic pod the fabric dye came in, you're going to do another wash cycle with your item of clothing still in the washing machine. I just did a quick 15 minutes and this sets the dye into your fabric. That way it doesn't run when you do wash this garment in the future. I don't know why I keep saying garments like I live in the 1500s. Anyway, once you're done, air dry your piece of clothing. Do not dry it in the dryer. It's just going to be a disaster. And then make sure you run an empty wash cycle just to make sure you've gotten rid of all of the dye from your washing machine and you'll be good to go. So look at that. Practically a brand new pair of jeans with minimal effort. I love this fabric dye so much. And you just give a new lease of life to your lifeless clothes. Yes, I know life is hard. Yes, I know you're struggling, but your clothes don't have to look like your struggle, okay? Don't look like your struggle on these streets. It's not cute. Anyway, that's it from me today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Oh no. Your gray sock was in the washing machine. I didn't see it.
What color is that?
It's black. Obviously it's black. I'm so sorry, I didn't see it. It must have been like at the top of something stuck.